Most people think squats damage knees, but bad form silently destroys them over time. One small squat mistake repeated weekly causes pain, weak gains, and joint damage. Fix this today, or every squat rep slowly damages your knees permanently. Squats are natural movements when performed correctly with proper biomechanics and joint alignment. Knee pain usually comes from technique errors, not squats themselves, despite common myths. Incorrect stance width shifts force away from muscles directly into vulnerable knee joints. Your foot angle determines whether knees stay aligned or collapse inward dangerously. Knee collapse places extreme stress on ligaments, cartilage, and long-term joint health. Limited ankle mobility forces knees forward into unsafe positions under load. When heels lift, pressure shifts from hips directly into sensitive knee structures. Going deep without control compresses joints and destabilizes knee alignment badly. Partial squats reduce muscle activation while keeping constant stress on knees. Safe squats begin with a hip hinge, not excessive knee bending first. Weak glutes fail to stabilize knees, forcing joints to absorb unnecessary load. Poor core bracing transfers force inefficiently, increasing stress placed on knees. An incorrect bar path overloads knees instead of distributing force through hips. Looking downward shifts balance forward, compromising posture and knee tracking alignment. Improper breathing removes bracing, reducing overall joint stability and squat strength. Rushing squat repetitions sacrifices control, balance, and long-term knee safety. Aggressively locking knees at the top stresses connective tissues unnecessarily. Skipping warm-ups leaves joints stiff and unprepared for heavy squat loading. Muscle imbalances pull knees inward, creating unsafe tracking during squatting movements. Excessive forward knee travel dramatically increases shear forces across the knee joint. Ignoring knee pain signals often leads to chronic injuries and training setbacks. Soft cushion shoes destabilize squats and worsen knee alignment problems. Flat, stable shoes improve balance, force transfer, and knee tracking significantly. Mastering bodyweight squats builds control before safely adding external load. Adding weight too quickly overloads knees before tissues adapt properly. A controlled squat tempo protects joints while building strength efficiently. Squat depth should always match your mobility, not ego or comparison. Knee sleeves provide warmth and confidence but never fix poor squat technique. Filming your squat reveals alignment mistakes your body cannot feel. Simple coaching cues instantly improve knee tracking and movement quality. Strong glutes dramatically reduce knee stress during squatting movements. Strong hamstrings support knee stability throughout both descent and ascent phases. Flexible calves improve ankle motion and overall knee safety during squats. Daily mobility work keeps squat mechanics consistent, pain-free, and efficient. Pain-free squats allow consistent training and sustainable long-term muscle growth. Perfect squat form builds muscle without destroying joints or connective tissue. Knee-safe squats improve athletic performance and overall training longevity. Most knee injuries are technique-related, not caused by lifting heavy weight. Clean, controlled reps always outperform heavy, sloppy repetitions long-term. Knees adapt positively when movement patterns remain correct consistently. Squats should feel powerful, controlled, and stable, never painful. Proper squat form turns squats into full-body muscle-building movements. Smart lifters prioritize joint health while still gaining serious strength. Long-term progress demands discipline, patience, and technical precision. Fixing squat form today prevents years of unnecessary knee pain. Knee-safe squats unlock stronger legs, confidence, and lifelong training success. Fix your squat form now and protect your knees for life starting today.